Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on Mercedes C-Class W204, the generation from 2008 to 2015, and we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace the turn signal, front turn signal bulb. Left and right side will be the same procedure. We'll demonstrate on one side. It's quite a bit of work, to be honest with you, but you can save yourself quite a bit of money. Okay, the bulb is located right here. If you need the bulbs, we'll have them in the description of the video below, so don't forget to check it out. Get the bulb first before you start the work, in most cases, because it's hard to get to that bulb, and we'll show you why. We have a broken headlight that we're going to demonstrate why it's so complicated to replace that bulb now. So now, for that turn signal light bulb, we have to actually jack the car up. Stay with us to see what we need to do. So, what we need to do next, okay, we'll need to go ahead, okay, you need to install tire chocks, okay, and this is because we'll be working on the front right side, so we install them on the rear left diagonal. You have to have the car in park if it's automatic. Okay, emergency brake on all the way. Next, okay, we're going to jack up this side because we'll be working on the right side. You always guys have to use a jack stand. We have all the tools, okay, and parts we use in the description below. Check it out under the video. If you need anything, we'll have it there. Okay, so let's get the jack stand now. And next we're going to remove the tire. Have to take the lug bolts loose before we jack it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove that one now. Okay, perfect. Now we just pull it out and we're going to throw it under the car, face up. So if something happens, the jack stand fail, at least the tire, the wheel will catch it, so it's not gonna kill you while you're underneath. Now we will need to remove the fender liner, okay, on the front side. So we have 3 clips here. Okay, let me grab the light quick. Okay, you can see this clip right here, one more over there, and one of ours is missing. So on those you pull the middle piece out and then you pull the whole clip. So we'll use the panel removal tool set that we have here. It's very inexpensive, but it does an amazing job. Okay, and we're going to pull, okay, the clips now. Okay, the middle piece came out. Now we need to pull the other one. Okay, like that. We need to do the same thing to all 3 of them. Remember, one of ours is missing, so we can do only 2. Okay, perfect. This one came out as well. Now underneath, we have a few more things that we need to do. Okay, let us show you what exactly. So I'm under the vehicle now, okay, and we have one more clip. Okay, right there that we're removing, the same kind of clip. Now we have 8mm screw that we need to remove. Okay, right there. And now the fender liner can go towards the back like that. So we got to this point now. Before we proceed with the turn signal bulb removal, we're going to demonstrate on this broken headlight out of the same Mercedes. The Mercedes was wrecked. You can check out the video on our channel and the rebuilding and the whole process. So the turn signal light bulb, guys, it's located right here on the bottom side of the headlight. So you can see the headlight is like that. This is on the very bottom side. So we're going to need a Torx 20 now, okay, with the screwdriver, and right here there is 2. Okay, it's actually Torx, yes, Torx 20. We got Torx 25 accidentally. We need to remove these 2 screws. Okay, right here. And this is the cap for the turn signal light bulb. I don't know who designed that, but not a good idea. You pull the cap out, Okay, like that, nothing there, just a seal. Next, you need to get pliers. Okay, it's easier if you get pliers and never turn left or right. Everything comes straight up. Just pick it with your pliers, pull it out. Okay, like that. And this is the headlight bulb, the turn signal bulb, excuse me. So now let's go ahead and attempt that on the car to see how we're going to do it actually on the car now, because everything will be a little bit harder. It's not so accessible. So once we pull the fender liner, okay, you can see the bottom of the headlight. Okay, let me focus. Okay, right there. And this is the two screws. Okay. So that yellow wire that you see right there, this is actually an airbag sensor. So be careful there. Okay, and then you have one more towards the front. A little bit harder to get now. Okay, so we'll go ahead and remove it. You saw where it was. So actually with a small ratchet with the Torx 20, it's easier to get to it that way. Okay, finally came out. Now, what do we need to do? And we need to pull the cap out. Okay, and this one could be stuck, so you might need the pliers if it's too stuck. Okay, came out. Now we'll need to get the pliers for the bulb. Okay, this one is tight. It probably never been removed. The car has only 47,000 miles. Okay, it came loose, guys, and this is the turn signal light bulb. Okay, right here. Very unusual bulb. So you replace it with the whole assembly like that. You cannot just replace the bulb itself. You get the new bulb, get it in there, push it in to go all the way in to click. And what I will do actually, I would recommend to go ahead and test it before we put everything together. So stay with us to see if ours is going to work now. So we turn the right turn signal on, it works. So now we're going to proceed with installing the cap, the two screws after that. So we install the cap, the two screws, we're putting the fender liner in reverse order. We took everything apart, installed the tire, get the bolts tight, the lug bolts for the tire. We have a video for the torque specs on the channel if you need it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and hopefully it was helpful, save you some money. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.